Yes. Thank you. Thank you. This is the one. Thank you very much. Should we just go here? We're changing rooms tomorrow. Right. Because I wanted to see what the other side was like. You alright?
Wait, I've always been 190.
Oh, thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Yes. Hello. Well, thank you.
There may be even more.
What's that?
Looks like they have a dragon and maybe a caterpillar.
Oh, how
outside,
cool.
and maybe more.
Awesome.
What are you doing?
Filming? Checking in.
Maybe I haven't done Mickey packages.
That's cool.
Oh, how pretty. Did you inquire about Wi-Fi?
No, but I'm going to inquire about the beds. So.
Please inquire about Wi-Fi, please.
Are those pajamas? Sam? It's small. Toiletries are adorable.
Yes.
Found the toilet. I will. Oh, it's a toilet with a hand basin on the top. Mickey slippers.
The dog from Parks of the Caribbean World.
What is it?
dog from the park to the park anyway.
Oh, cool. And what's out here?
Is that the other hotel?
What is that? What's that meant to be?
That one to me.
Oh, it's a wardrobe? How does it work? To use, pull the top of the hook out and down. The top of the... Oh, I see. And then there's pillow in that container under the bed.
Yes, by all please. Hey Mama, I'm taking a bite as payment for my services.
I don't know. They're all square.
It wasn't a square.
Can someone say what's wrong with that? Let's go. We're in a hurry, yeah? So, Sam? Ice.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
I can't believe we're staying somewhere where the tiki room is the theme. This is so epic. Oh. I don't know, maybe it's a night show or something. Beg pardon?
How can you
I don't know. You could take the room card and put it in the... Actually, where is it? Doesn't matter. Where is it? That canoe.
So I can download the Disney Plus app.
I can't do that. I'll do it on the bus. Okay. Hello. What? I have to buy the park tickets and I need to film the garden. That's so cute.
What's the expo?
There's a cafe and everything. What is it? What is it?
Currency exchange.
You're kidding me.
It's a currency exchange from Australia.
Oh, what's that? Is that the cafe?
Probably.
Oh, it's a shop. Oh, I heard this one. Thank you, thank you. Arigato, arigato. Good night. Ah, very nice. Oh, let's go. Ah, cruise? We go. Thank you, thank you. Arigato. Thank you, thank you. Sorry. Oh, that's the machine. That's the machine. Sam, do you want to look at the garden while Brooke's doing that?
You folded up all the bills, so we've got to stretch it up. And do not.
Oh, you put cash in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do not fold them.
Yes, I'm going to the garden. Where's it?
I believe there's some really cute stuff in that shop.
Is there? Can we go out this way?
And little, I think Disney themed stuff.
Well, you said you wanted to look at the garden.
Okay.
Is that meant to be a path that you're allowed to walk on here? I'll get your photo, Sam. Can I get your photo? That's cool. We gotta go though.
Missed the treasure chest in the boat though.
I don't want to go to Tokyo. I just want to stay at Disney.
Mommy?
How you going there, Brooke? Did you get to work?
Yeah, I got $80 worth.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. It was held because you folded up the banknotes, so I had to individually squeeze them all out.
Well, that sounds fair. Not gonna get there.
$80 worth.
Awesome. That's oh gosh, we're missing the thing. Hi. Can we buy Disney tickets here?
So over there front desk.
Oh, that one.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. And what is that? Disney Sea seems a bit more like a dystopian world. Alzheimer's. Can we buy?
To Junior.
Yes.
I was shaped like a button. I saw the masks and I was just like, oh, they have old Mickey on the mask.
They have old Mickey.
Yes, and old Minnie.
Sorry.
We have 3 days and out, 1/2 day, right?
Yeah, 3 days and 1/2 day. This is 1 day.
Okay,
Hello, hello, hello. We're going to
They
Disneyland.
made the water bottles cute.
We're going to
They
Disneyland.
made the water bottles adorable. Wait, almost finished.
本日は一緒の川の外でご利用いただきまして誠にありがとうございました。バスとホーム側には大きな隙間が